morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Pie Day. 314. Also, TGIF. I'm going to play a weatherman for just a few seconds. It's raining. Yes. It's raining here in Sutter County, California. I'm not complaining. The rain finally is really here. Yeah, all right, so that's enough. Do you like heat? Do you like spice? Do you like more, narrow it down, Asian spice? Then I have the dish for you. Szechuan chicken. Oh, I like a little bit of heat in most things. This Szechuan chicken dish is excellent. It's not like, oh my God, it's not, for me, it doesn't make my eyes tear up type heat or, spice. But it's got a kick. It's nice. This was an excellent meal. Yeah, this is a must try if you like Asian heat. Tonight is Crispy Chilli Beef, another Asian dish. But again, this is one of those recipes I saw it, and especially saw the picture. We always eat with our eyes. I saw the picture and went, that's me. I gotta have that. So it's one of those. So let's take a look. Champion is clean and ready to go from last night. Square baking dish because I'm doing brown rice with the baked method. Got some steak. All right. Of course, we have some garlic, some fresh ginger. Friday. Red bell pepper. Green onions. I won't be using these. These are almost a week old. I will be hitting the market today for some new green onions. Some cornstarch, which helps with the crispiness. And for the sauce is soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. Again, not for the sodium. This bottle says light. Basically, this is sort of very, very similar to your standard Kikkoman. Rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, some honey, sesame oil, some brown sugar for a little more sweetness that complements the honey. This is an option. Red chili flakes and sesame seeds for a garnish. And there's my brown rice. I always have it on hand. And these are the goodies for tonight's meal, which again is Crispy Chilli Beef. I posted next week's menu up yesterday. I'll post it again over the weekend like I always do. Monday, I can tell you what Monday is for sure. It's St. Patrick's Day, so I do a baked or roasted version of corned beef. I did it last year. It was excellent. So I'm keeping the menu simple. Basically, it'll be corned beef and a roasted potato instead of boiled. I like roasted. So on this Friday, this wet Friday, which is okay, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.